Hello traders, how are you all? Welcome to our channel, Trade Empire. Being a beginner trader or even an expert trader, it is highly required to have the knowledge of different indicators. In our channel, we explain different types of indicators and different types of trading strategies. Every viewer likes our style of explaining the concept. Today we will understand about the Aroon indicator, which is a very important indicator for the stock market as well as for the forex. But before going ahead in the video, if you are new to our channel, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel, so you cannot miss our upcoming videos. Now let us understand our today's topic. Aroon indicator is one type of momentum oscillator. It keeps oscillating between 0 to 100 value. There are two lines in the Aroon indicator. The first is Aroon up, which is indicated by green color. And second is Aroon down, which is indicated by red color. Here you can see the calculation formula for the Aroon indicator. By seeing the formula, we can understand that the Aroon indicator measures the number of periods since the new highs or new lows occurred for the specified period of time. The Aroon indicator is used to identify the trend of the stock price. When the Aroon up is above the Aroon down, it is called that the stock is in the uptrend. Similarly, when the Aroon down is above the Aroon up, it is called that the stock is in the downtrend. Now, when both the Aroon up and Aroon down lines are parallel to each other, then it is called that the stock price is in the consolidation, or in the sideways trend. We should not make any trade during this sideways trend. Now we understand about the bullish and bearish crossovers. When the Aroon upline crossover the Aroon downline from downside to upside, then it is called the bullish crossover. After this bullish crossover, if the Aroon upline moves above the 50 level, and Aroon down moves below the 50 level, then it is said that the uptrend has been started. After moving above the 50 level, when the Aroon upline moves between the 70 to 100 level, and at the same time, if the Aroon downline moves between the 30 to 0 level, then it is called a strong uptrend. Similarly, when the Aroon upline crossover the Aroon downline from upside to downside, then it is called the bearish crossover. After the bearish crossover, if the Aroon down moves above the 50 level, and at the same time, if the Aroon up moves below the 50 level, then it is said that the downtrend has been started. After moving above the 50 level, if the Aroon down moves between the 70 to 100 level, and at the same time, if the Aroon up moves between the 30 to 0 level, then it is said a strong downtrend. I hope, till here you understood the concept of the Aroon indicator with high clarity. Now let us see that how we can trade with the help of Aroon indicator. Here, we will take the simple moving average in combination with the Aroon indicator. Moving average is the average of the close prices of the stock for the specified time of period. Moving average helps us to identify the direction of the trend. When the price is above the moving average, then it is called that the stock is in the uptrend. Similarly, when the price is below the moving average, then it is called that the stock is in the downtrend. In our strategy we will take the value of SMA as 100 periods, and value of Aroon indicator as 25 periods. First, we discuss about the conditions for the buy setup. Condition number 1. We will look for the buying only during the uptrend. Thus, we will only buy when the price is above the 100 SMA. Condition number 2. We will buy after the bullish crossover, and when the Aroon up moves above 70 level. Let us take an example for the buying. Here, we have the chart of a stock on 30-minute time frame. As you can see here, the price is above the 100 SMA, thus the price is in the uptrend. So, here we can get the opportunities to make our buy setup. We will use the Aroon indicator for the better entry. You can see here, the Aroon upline crossover the Aroon downline from downside to upside, so this is our bullish crossover. After this bullish crossover, the Aroon upline moves above the 70 level, which is a good sign for the uptrend. So, this will be our trigger candle. We will buy at the high of our trigger candle, our stop loss should be at the low of our trigger candle, we will set our target, as our 1:3 risk to reward ratio should be followed. You can see, after our buy entry, the price made a good up move. Now, we discuss about the condition for the sell setup. Condition number 1. We will look for the selling during the downtrend only. Thus, we will sell only when the price is below the 100 SMA. Condition number 2. We will sell after the bearish crossover, and when the Arun down moves above 70 level. Let us see an example for the selling. Here we have the chart of a stock on 30-minute time frame. As you can see here, the price is below the 100 SMA. Thus, the price is in the downtrend, so here we can get the opportunities to make our sell setup. You can see here, the Arun upline crossover the Arun downline from upside to downside, so this is our bearish crossover. After this bearish crossover, the Arun downline moves above the 70 level, this situation indicates for an effective downtrend. So, this will be our trigger candle. We will sell at the low of our trigger candle, our stop loss should be at the high of our trigger candle, and our target should follow our 1:3 risk to reward ratio. This is the result. After our sell entry, the price moved in an excellent downtrend. That was all. Dear viewers, if you liked our video and our way of explaining, then hit the like button and feel free to subscribe our channel so you cannot miss our upcoming videos. Take care of yourself.